Running effective email campaigns for seasonal sales can significantly boost your business, and using Mailchimp makes this process smooth and easy. If you're wondering how to set up these campaigns, stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to know, plus share a few tips to get the most out of Mailchimp's powerful features. And the best part? You can get started with Mailchimp for free using the first link below, plus grab some exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Let's get into the first thing you need to know: defining your seasonal sale. Whether you're promoting Black Friday deals, holiday sales, or end-of-season discounts, the key is to tailor your email content around these events. Set clear goals. Do you want to drive sales, increase brand awareness, or perhaps both? Knowing this will help you create focused campaigns that resonate with your audience. Next thing, segmentation. Mailchimp makes it easy to segment your email list, which is crucial for delivering personalized content. Instead of sending the same email to everyone, target specific groups of people, like loyal customers or those who have engaged with past seasonal sales. With segmentation, your emails will be far more relevant, increasing your chances of conversion. The third thing to consider is email design. A well-designed email is essential for making a strong impression and driving action. Mailchimp provides easy-to-use templates, so you don't need to be a design expert to create something visually appealing. Keep it seasonal. Use colors, images, and language that reflect the sale you're promoting. And remember, a strong call to action, CTA, like shop now or get your discount, should be front and center. The fourth thing is automation. Mailchimp allows you to set up automated email sequences, which are a game changer when running seasonal campaigns. You can schedule a series of emails leading up to your sale, such as a coming soon announcement, a reminder email, and even post-sale follow-ups. This helps keep your customers engaged and reminds them to take action at just the right time. Now, the fifth thing, A/B testing. Mailchimp lets you test different email elements, like subject lines, CTA buttons, and images, to see what resonates best with your audience. You can create multiple versions of your emails and see which one performs better. This takes some of the guesswork out of the process, so you can optimize your emails for better results. Lastly, don't forget to track your results. After your campaign goes live, use Mailchimp's analytics to see how well your emails are performing. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to get a sense of what's working and what could be improved next time. To wrap up, remember that running successful seasonal sales campaigns with Mailchimp doesn't have to be complicated. With the right strategy, clear segmentation, appealing design, automation, A/B testing, and tracking, you'll be able to drive great results. And remember, you can start using Mailchimp for free today through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses to give you a head start. Get started with your email campaign and watch your seasonal sales soar.